This is Audible.
Sleep Yourself Smart. An Audible original. Narrated by David Ajala. Welcome to our voyage of discovery. In this series, we're going to visit hidden places you can only really get to with great difficulty. Locations that normally remain concealed from view. Deep waters, high skies, outer space. These are exciting places to travel to, where there'll be plenty of time for us to make new discoveries, but still take the odd break or two. So we'll have a good look around and hopefully relax a bit as well. This expedition takes us up high. We'll be traveling from the jungle floor to the canopy of a tropical rainforest, a place where we'll meet sloths, capuchin monkeys, and parrots. At a height of 40 to 60 meters, this is a world of its own. One of extreme heat, tempered by hours of rain showers. Let's start on the forest floor, in the dark. Off we go. It's early in the morning, and a new day is dawning in the evergreen tropical rainforest of the Amazon. The wafts of mist, lazing their way over the treetops of Brazil, gradually dissipate, and the rising sun bathes the treetops in bright light. But the plants and animals down below in the rainforest pay little heed to any of this. It's dark and damp down here. This is because only 1% of the sun's rays ever get to penetrate through the tree's dense canopy. The inhabitants of the ground and shrub layer have adapted to this veritable shadow existence, and their survival techniques are amazing. Here, close to the ground, you can see a liana vine, its thin tendrils spiraling around a tree trunk. Like most plants, it gets its water through roots in the soil, so it's not strangling the tree to draw moisture from it. It's only after one thing, and that is the tree's help in getting closer to the sun. The tree is its climbing frame. A few meters away, there's actually a freestanding liana entwined around some fellow lianas. It is so thick and wooden that it looks like a tree trunk itself. Once upon a time, there must have been a tree there, one that the liana was able to climb up. Lianas can grow up to hundreds of meters in length, and they seem to grow in every possible direction. Here in the rainforest, it is sometimes difficult to recognize where one vine ends and another begins. Because of this, lianas weave a dense network of transport routes for insects and amphibians, allowing them to move easily from one tree to the next.